Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Rite Aid and holy my Lanta, oh my Lanta, Rite Aid is crazy good this week. If you have a Rite Aid, you have to go. You just have to go. So we've got great deals this week. Great deals this week. Number one, we have a booster this week. Number two. Number three, on June 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, the points will be 10 times the points that you earn. So if you know that we get bonus cash on deals, for every dollar that we spend, we get 10 points. Well, they're doing a thing those days where you get 10 times the points that you would typically earn. Now, I've had people say, because I put up a little schedule of how I was doing my videos this week, to wait until Thursday to go, and I'm like, I of course am going to go Thursday or Friday or Saturday or many days. I am a crazy coupon person where I have no problem going Wednesday to show you guys some deals and then going Thursday and showing you more deals or the same deals with the point, I guess you could call it a multiplier. I'm definitely going. So tomorrow will be my Walgreens video and I'll have some Rite Aid deals on there as well. But on a good week like this, I typically do 4, 5, 6 transactions. So I thought I would just split it up. Yes, I'll earn more tomorrow, but because the way my week has gone, I can't really do that. So I'm still going to get a lot of really good deals tomorrow and get that. So like if you get 500 points, because my average is about 540 points when I have a transaction, times that times 10. And of course, those points convert to bonus cash. So we have a spend 10, get back, we have a spend 50, get back $10 in bonus cash. You can do that 1 barcode per account and we get 4 barcodes. So I'll put them up here on the screen and you can take a screenshot. We also got a 1 barcode in our email with a 5 off 25 coupon. I will put that up as well. And then we got an additional 5 off of 25 coupon that I also will put up. So today is the last day of May. And I have some of these that I am going to use today. That was another reason why I'm coming today. I have 2 of these, and these will only be good until the end of the month, even though they only expired yesterday. Typically, they will not scan tomorrow. So I want to use these up today, and then I'll use the 5 off of 25s tomorrow. So that is another reason why I'm coming today. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And that's all, guys. And if you're not new, welcome back. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we're going to do in our first transaction is on the Duracell batteries. The Duracell batteries, these coin ones, they are double dipping, which means they are good for a monthly promotion where it is a limit of 4. It is buy 2. Get back $3 in bonus cash, and then they're double dipping with a weekly promotion that's a limit of 2 where it is buy 2 get $10 in bonus cash. They're also buy 1 get 1 at 50% off. Now what happened here is I grabbed some of them and I'll show you those here in just a second, but I was looking online and the prices were much higher, and then I realized the ones that I'm about to show you here, they were in the wrong spot. So I put those back because I really wanted the 579 batteries. So I put them back, and these are the ones here that are all for 579. So with them being buy 1 get 1 at 50% off, the 4 of them will equal out to $17.37. No coupons for that, but then we will pay that and we will get back $26 in bonus cash, making all 4 of them free and an $8.63 moneymaker, which is incredible. And I've heard these can go in key fobs and garage door openers, so I'm glad I was able to pick these up. Now I'm not sure if these will track for a Duracell bonus cash challenge because I've already met my Duracell bonus cash challenge, so I'm just getting these because they're a moneymaker. So then the next deal we are doing is a spend 30, get back $10 in bonus cash for Procter and Gamble products. That includes the Gain Flings, They are on sale for $12.99. I have a Gain bonus cash challenge that I can finish, so I'm going to grab that. I'm also going to grab the Gain fireworks, also priced at $12.99. And with these two here, I will have met that, but I'll show you that in a second. So then I was at $25.98, and I was trying to think of what I could do. So I wanted to grab some of these Olay, the premium body washes priced at $11.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and they're included in the bonus cash promotion for the P&G products. Now this is going to put me pretty far over the $30 mark. My total for the 4 products will equal out to $43.96. I have a $3 load card coupon for the Gain fireworks. I have a $3 printable coupon for the Gain flings. And then I have this $4 coupon that come from a gift set from Christmas time that has been just waiting to be used. So this will take $4 off of those 2 body washes. That'll make my total $33.96, but then I will get back $10 in bonus cash. And I'm also tracking for a Gain bonus cash challenge. I was previously at $21.98, and I needed to get to $46 to receive $11.50 back from a bonus cash challenge. But anything, any cents amount past the dollar amount, so it's $11.50, I'm not going to get $11.50 back. They're just going to round it up and give me $12 back. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $3 on each one of the body washes, plus a 50-cent bonus for doing the rebate twice. That will make everything $5.46. And theoretically, if you're doing this deal by itself, you could throw in a 5 off of 25 coupon and get everything for 46 cents, which I think is pretty good. So next we're going to switch accounts and we're going to grab the Covergirl. The Covergirl is on promotion where you buy 2, you get 5, or you buy 3, you get 10. It is a limit of 2, but I have seen that it is not giving people the $10 a second time around. So I'm going to grab the cheapest item I can find, and that's the twin brow pencils at $6.49 a piece. The 3 of them cost $19.47. I'm going to be using some printable coupons. I'm going to be using the $4 printable coupons. That will take off another $12. That will make them $7.47. You'll get back $10, making them free and a $2.53 moneymaker. I will not get these if they are not a moneymaker. And I'm getting so spoiled to big moneymakers at CVS. This almost doesn't feel like that great of a deal. But I do have a bonus cash challenge, but I do have to spend $32. So if this isn't giving it back the second time, then I won't be meeting that bonus cash challenge this week. So next we're going to grab some Colgate. The Colgate is on sale for $3.99. It is buy 2, get back $7 in bonus cash. So we're going to grab 2 of them at $7.98. There's a $2 load to card coupon, and there's also $2 on the coupons.com app. I am going to be using the Shop.with app though. Shop.with is just another coupon reimbursement app, so you'll get $2 back from there. So then that will make your total $3.98, but then you'll get back $7 in bonus cash, making these free and a $3.02 moneymaker, which is definitely great. So I'm picking these up, and this is also a limit of 2 as well. So next I'm going to do the spend 30, get 10 for the P&G products on this account. Now this is a limit of 2, and I've only done it once on my other account, and I'm doing it once on this account. As you can see, the 6 = 12 double rolls are marked at $15.99, but for whatever reason in my mind, I grabbed an 8 = 16 roll, which is over $23. So there was a snafu with that, and I'll tell you about it at the end. But we're just going to go with grabbing the correct one for the video's sake and for the math's sake. So we're going to grab one of the Bounty, and then I'm also going to grab one of the Charmin's, these 12-count mega rolls, also priced at $15.99. So the 2 of these will equal out to $31.98. There are 50-cent digitals that you can clip for each one of them. That would make it $30.98. I did not clip them, so they're going to be $31.98. And then I'm going to get back $10 in bonus cash. That'll make my total $20.98.
But then I'm going to submit my receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com website for a $15 rebate Visa card. Between the amount of the paper products here, the gain that I got, plus a few things that I've gotten over the past few weeks, I have reached the $50 mark after coupons, so I can get back that $15 gift card. So that's going to make both of these just $5.98, and that's without the bonus cash we get from the booster. Plus, I also have bonus cash challenges that these will track for, so it's really good to pick these up. So with everything that I've gotten so far, with the Colgate, the Covergirl, and the paper products, I'm at about $59.43, and I need to be at $60 because I am using a 5 off 25 coupon and a 7 off of 35 Catalina. I am also using a $2 digital coupon, so I need to be at $62. So I'm going to pick up the Duracell batteries. I'm just picking up two. One is going to be $5.79. The other one is going to be $2.89. That equals out to $8.68. I'm going to get back $13 in bonus cash, $10 for the weekly deal, and $3 for the monthly deal. That's going to make these free and a $4.32 moneymaker. And I'll be at the amount that I need to be so I can use all of my coupons. So that's everything for that transaction. We're going to go check out. I'm going to go over the final totals with you out in the vehicle and let you know how everything went.
All right, guys, so we're back in from Rite Aid, and I made a mistake. In the voiceover, which is done, of course, after I filmed this, I told you that I got the wrong one, and I did. I was supposed to get the 6 equals 12, and I grabbed the 8 equals 16, and that's because where the tag was at, and I just grabbed it, and maybe I thought I grabbed the right one, but I just exchanged it and ended up getting my bonus cash for that. Another thing I wanted to point out is I am at home. I'm not at Rite Aid. I am at home because I had a delivery. It had some ice in it, and I needed to get it home because it's 90 degrees. So I did 2 transactions. Unreal. Now, I probably should go inside and redo my math because it seems a little bit crazy, but it's still unreal. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to go over the first transaction. I got gain today, and I'll be getting Tide tomorrow because I also have a Tide bonus cash challenge. But in this transaction, I just got the gain, the Olay, and then I got some batteries. So I did use one $3 load to card coupon, and then I used a $3 printable coupon. I used that $9 coupon, and that's it. I did not use the $5 coupon because then I would have to have gotten like $70 worth of products. So after that, my total was $42.32. I got back $46 in bonus cash because of those lovely batteries. So those batteries did double dip. So I got back $10 for each set of 2 twice. And then I got $3 for each set of 2 twice. So I got back $26 in bonus cash from the batteries alone. That's a good deal. That ended up being like a $9 moneymaker. Then I got back the $10 in bonus cash from the in-app booster. And I got back $10 in bonus cash for getting the gain and the Olay. So that equals out to $46. I will get back $12 in bonus cash for the gain. And then I got back $6 on Ibotta for the Olay. And I also did get back a 50-cent bonus. So that makes that transaction free and a $22.04 moneymaker. That's, excuse me, that is absolutely insane. So I am definitely loving that. So then I thought, I know that's going to be a good size moneymaker because of getting the bonus cash challenge back. I'll get some paper products, and that is where I hurt myself. So what I did is I grabbed the 8 equals 16 instead of the 6 equals 12. But what I did is I just returned it, and then I grabbed the correct one, and then I just got my bonus cash. So in this transaction, I got the Covergirl, the Charmin, and the Bounty, the Colgate, and then I just got 2 batteries because I was using a 5 off of 25 and a 7 off of 35. So I needed to add those 2 together. And then any digitals that I was using, I needed to also include that as well. So I needed to spend like $62. I ended up spending $68. So I had those $4 Covergirl coupons come off. My $2 load to card coupon came off totally fine. And then I had the $7 and the $5 coupon come off. I didn't clip the 50-cent digitals. I didn't even think of it. I'm not really mad about that, but that is another $1 there if you want to clip those. So my total for that transaction equaled out to $42.11. I got back $50 in bonus cash. $50 in bonus cash. So I got $10 back on the Duracell for doing the 2 for the weekly deal, and then I got $3 for the monthly deal. I got back $7 for both of the Colgates, and then I got back $10 for the in-ad booster, $10 for the P&G promotion, and then I got $10 for the Covergirl. I also submitted my receipt to the Shop.with app for another $2 back for that second Colgate. And then I'm going to submit my receipt plus a few other Rite Aid receipts from the past few weeks where I've gotten Gain, I've gotten Tide, I've gotten a bunch of things, and I can get a $15 gift card for spending $50 in Procter and Gamble products for that rebate where you spend $50 after coupons, you get back a $15 gift card. So that's going to make everything free in that transaction, a $24.89 moneymaker. That's insane. Insane. Now, I got back 613 points on the first transaction and 758 points on the second transaction. That equals out to 1,371 points, and that converts to $2.74. I take the amount of points times 0.002, and I get that amount, and that's how much you get back in total amount of points. So that makes everything free. And this is the biggest moneymaker I've ever had, guys. A $49.27 moneymaker. That's crazy. That's off the charts crazy. Now, I'm going to tell you something that's even more crazy. It's even more crazy. So, I told you I got 1,371 points from both of my transactions today. Tomorrow, if I get similar transactions, similar points, that would mean I would get back 13,710 points back. That converts to $27.42 in bonus cash, because the points will rack up, and as soon as they hit your account, you can convert them to bonus cash, and you have more time to convert your points to bonus cash than you do with your bonus cash. So you have 90 days to convert them. So just imagine this on top of another $27. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I definitely could hoot and holler though for that one. But anyways, that's all I have today. It was really, really easy. It was really quick, and just make sure you get the right products, because sometimes you don't. I swear the tag was in that spot for that one. But as I was saying in the video, I was meticulously paying attention to the batteries, and for whatever reason didn't pay attention to the paper towel. So anyways, that is really all I have for you today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I can't wait to see what everyone gets tomorrow. Bye, guys.